So this is going to be a bit different video than what I usually do. So this is actually, I'm sharing my current Emacs configuration. So if you want, you can use that. I will leave a link in the description. Control X, Control F. How, like, you can see, like, I have made some changes, like I have added some icons for my setup, and I'm using this package IV post frame for pop-up mini buffer, stuff like that. Then .emacs I'm using inside my init.el. I'm using package.el. I'm not using straight.el for this one. My configuration is an org file, so if you want, it will be convenient for you to read through, and if you need, you can like minimize and stuff like that. So you have this new mode line which I'm using. So this is not actually a new package, but this is actually minions and moody, and I'm using this mode line icons and stuff like that. So this will be available in my GitHub page. So if you want, you can like copy this or add the necessary parts which you require to your configuration. So, and there's a small update. So since I have published my Ogrom UI video, Ogrom UI is available on Melpa. So you can install Ogrom UI from Melpa by using these commands. So first you need to install WebSocket. So use package WebSocket, make sure it's installed. Then use package simple httpd, ensure it's installed. Use package F. So these are like the dependencies for Ogrom UI, and you need to have Ogrom installed prior to that. Make sure Ogrom UI is also installed with this. And we add to list, and we load the path to .emacs and we specify the path to Ogrom UI. So it's by default, it's inside this private directory inside your .emacs. Then we are adding, like we are telling Emacs to use the library Ogrom UI. So whenever you hit Alt X, you can use Ogrom UI. You have all these options over here. So that's how you can install Ogrom UI from Melpa. And you have some extra additions like org reveal, org appear, added garbage collection. So garbage collection will somewhat help you to reduce the startup time of your Emacs. Then auto update package. So if you need to update your packages, all you need to do is Alt X, auto package update or something. Auto package update now. So if you hit that, it's going to update your currently available packages. And keycast is for this section, which is like showing which key I'm pressing. And I have like transparency. So if I hit Control C and T, it's going to disable. So Control C and T again, it's going to enable transparency. Now like smart parentheses, some stuff for Python and org capture. So this is actually incomplete, but if you want, you can use this. So this is the configuration till the present video and some small additions. So that's that. I hope this one is helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.